हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज मैं कम्प्लीटली नई जगह पे आई हूँ एंड दैट इज़ कुर्ग। वी आर हियर इन एलिफेंटा दुबारे केव्स। यहाँ पे एक्चुअली बोटिंग से हमको यहाँ पे लेके आए हैं एंड आई थॉट के लेट्स विजिट टुगेदर। सो आई विल कम्प्लीटली शो यू ऑल द प्लेसेस विच आई विजिट एंड आई विल guide you throughout. If any time you come here, then please do visit this places. It is awesome. So I'll show you that this is Elephanta Dubare Caves and here there is an elephant. This is basically the view which we will show you afterwards.
So this is the lake view of Elephant Dubari camp. We were brought here by short but exciting boat ride from the other end of the shore. Can you all see that? It's actually elephant potty. So all those adventurous or health conscious folks out there can have a free organic bath by swimming or taking a dip here. Just kidding. What I meant is stay away from water. Now, from the boat drop off point, take a right and be ready to be amazed as you will see so many elephants doing their daily activities which are being taken care of by the staff and authorities out there. Here, all the elephants were kept. Also, the elephants were given different names, one of which I remember was Ayappa. After that, this is an open ground here, and you can see that there are so many elephants. Due to COVID, they are not allowing to touch the elephants or go inside. Otherwise, we can also touch them, play with them, and have a ride also. But for now, it's not allowed. Maybe after some time, as the cases will be less, they would allow to go inside or play with the elephants. And here, you can see that the elephant is trying hard to reach the grass or cut the grass and put it in his mouth and again trying, and finally it's done. You can further explore the garden there. There were so many benches at different places where you can sit and have your quality time enjoying the great view. The benches were at different places and on the top so that you get the lake view so nicely. And here we are going back to the starting point through boat. It was so fun having a boat ride. It's very tempting to splash water with your hands, but don't forget the potty part. So instead, I decided to just record this short journey for you guys to enjoy the view and to enjoy the boat ride, which is taking us back to the entry point.
Guys, this is the second place we are visiting, which is basically Kaveri Nisargam, which gives you access to Kaveri river. I prefer that you visit it in the morning as due to, after that crowd will be more, and to avoid COVID also you should preferably be in the morning. Also, it will be very peaceful if you visit in the morning. We didn't have time, so we had to visit it in the afternoon, and also the sun is very heavy. So here basically you need to take tickets. This is actually a photo booth before going inside for kids or anyone who wants to click pictures. This is the ticket counter where you need to take the tickets, and this is the prices which are there for the tickets of entrance for Kaveri Nisargam. and this is the entry gate to Kaveri Nisargam. So from here you can enter Kaveri Nisargam, and as I go inside I will make you visit all the places with me. If you have any queries, then please do write down in the comment section below. I will try to reply as much as I can.
Let's start with one of the most exciting part of Kaveri Nisargam, the shaking bridge. And the bridge starts. Do stop in between, get some good pictures, and enjoy the river flowing beneath you. It's so peaceful as long as you pick a good time, else it will be very hard to find yourself in your own picture. So after crossing the bridge inside, it's like a garden and you can explore in whichever way you want to. This is the way, and the garden is fully like this. There are different ways around or different roads which are made inside the garden, and you can explore in whichever way you like to and just roam around without finding a destination to go. Keep an eye out for some interesting paintings done on the tree barks. It's more of a nature walk which consists of such creative sitting areas and fun activities for kids also. Here there was a sitting area, also you can click some good pictures as the carving on the pillars are so nicely done that it's so attractive to sit here and see the smileys around and just click good pictures around for us. So this is the way I am taking for exploring the new part. There is also different statues also representing local tradition and past way of living. This is one of them which I found while exploring the garden inside. Also, I think so that it represents a local tradition or past way of living. If anybody knows what it represents, then do tell me. Here is a zipline activity going on for kids. This is the way to river inside the garden, and there was so much rush. I did not go inside the water to avoid the crowd due to COVID, but trying to give you the best possible view I can. This can turn into a peaceful and serene spot when devoid of crowds. This is a market, and there were various shops here. While traveling, it's optional. Shopping is mandatory, without which the trip isn't fun. So also I, as usual for every girls, I also did shop, which I'll show you afterwards. If you all want to see, I will make a different vlog for that shopping part. And also don't forget to bargain. It is there in our blood, I guess. We had come here through Krar. From here you can go near the waterfalls, and this is Surlabi Falls. Just look at this. It's so mesmerizing. Be careful if you plan to experience the cold water, as the stones are very slippery and the flow is in good force. Just for you all to have the knowledge, or listen the flow of the water, I am not recording a voiceover on the next clip, and you can listen to the voiceover. And that's it for the day. If you like the video, then do not forget to share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching my video.